Students, for chapter 3 algebra. For algebra already you are learned in 6th standard. Some of the basics you are learned. For algebra means it's a combination of constant, variable and some of the mathematical symbols. Basic mathematical symbols. First you have to know about constant. Constant means a symbol having a fixed numerical value is called a constant. Fixed numerical value. Numerical means that is a numbers is called a constant. For example, numbers. All the numbers we consider as a constant. 31 minus 7, that is a positive number or negative number or fraction number or decimal number. All the one we consider as a constant. Next, variable. Variable means a symbol which takes a various numerical values is called a variable. Various numerical values. For it is a fixed value, it is a various value. Various numerical values is called a variable. It is denoted by x, y, z, etc. Otherwise, a to z for the small letters. A, B, C, D up to z. For next, algebraic expression. We combine variables and constants using the mathematical operations addition and subtraction to construct algebraic expression. Example 6x plus 1, 6x minus 5 plus 3. For it is algebraic expression means we combine the variables and constants using the mathematical operations. That is addition and subtraction. We have to use that addition and subtraction separate the terms. For here it has a two terms. It is called a terms. 6x plus 1. It is a first term. It is second term. Here it has a three terms. 1, 2, 3. For these two terms combined with plus symbol. For here these three terms for combined with minus and plus. Next you have to know about the coefficient of a term. For a term of an algebraic expression is a product of factors. A term of an algebraic expression is a product of factors. So here each factor or product of factor is called the coefficient of the remaining product of factors. So that means you have to listen with this example. Suppose you have to consider this term 5xy. For it is only one term 5xy. For here not used addition or subtraction. It is considered as only one term. Suppose in between plus or minus is there. It separates as a terms. So now the coefficient of xy. Coefficient of xy means xy is there. Remaining what you have, that is the coefficient 5. Coefficient of 5y. 5y, so which is remaining x. So the coefficient of 5y is x. Coefficient of y. Except this y, what you have? 5x. So that is the coefficient of 5x. For in this term, the numerical coefficient is 5. In this question, for any of the question, they ask numerical coefficient. You have to take only the numeral. Numeral means that is a numbers. So now you listen this. Each factor or product of factor is called the coefficient. Each factor. Factor means product of two numbers. So product or factors are called the coefficients of the remaining product of factors. So now like terms and unlike terms. For the terms of an expression having the same variable are called like terms. Otherwise they are called unlike terms. Like terms means they have a same variable. Otherwise it is called a unlike terms. Now exercise 3.1 third problem. Find the numerical coefficient of each of the following terms. We want to find the numerical coefficient. The terms are minus 3yx, 12k, y, 121 bc, minus x, 9pq, to AB. Now you have to consider each one as a separate terms. So that is, for here the the number is minus 3. We have to consider with the symbol. So numerical coefficient of this is minus 3. For here 12. For here no number is there. What is that meaning? Here it is 1. 121. For this minus x is there. So what is that meaning? Minus 1. For here 9. For here 2. That problem, the numerical coefficient of the given question, you have to write minus 3yx, 12k, y, 121, 121 bc, minus x, 9pq and 2ab are. For we have to write together, that is you have to consider the numerical numbers, numerical coefficient, that is minus 3, 12, 1, that is 121, minus 1, 9 and 2 respectively. What is the meaning of respectively? The first one numerical coefficient is minus 3, second one numerical coefficient is 12, third one is 1, like that we have to find. Fourth question, write the variables constant and terms of the following expression. We want to find variables, constants, terms of the following expression. For the first problem, 18 plus x minus y. Second problem, 7p minus 4q plus 5. Third problem, 29x plus 13y. Fourth problem, b plus 2. For this first problem, for variables, what are the variables? X and y. For constant, which is a constant? The number is a constant. So 18. Terms, how many terms is there? 1, 2, 3. Take and write separately. 18, comma x, comma minus y. Like that, the remaining problems. For fourth problem, we have to write the problem separately or we have to write together. For each problem, we want to write the same things, that is variables, constant and terms. So, for here it is a variables, it is constant. So, now for here variables, what are the variables? X, comma y. For constant, which is a constant, for variables, when we are mentioned the variables, you no need to use the symbols. For it is a constant. Constant must have to use the symbol. Terms 18, comma x, comma minus y. 3 terms write separately. Then the second problem, variables p, comma q. Constant is 5. The terms 7p minus 4q, 5. Then for here we have a 2 terms, constant x, comma y. Variables x, comma y. The constant is not given. So what is that meaning? 0, constant. So the terms 29x, 13y. Next, b plus 2. For this b plus 2, variable is b, constant is 2, the terms b, comma 2. The fifth question, identify the like terms among the following. For some of the terms are given, we have to identify what are the like terms. 7x, 5y, minus 8x, 12y, 6z, z, minus 12x, minus 9y, 11z. For like terms, how you have to identify the like terms? Like terms means the terms have the same variable. Same variable means x, 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 y, 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 z, z, z. So, 7x, minus 8x, minus 12x. These are like. Then 5y, 12y and minus 9y. These are like terms. Next is 6z, z and 11z. These are like terms. Listen, like terms 7x minus 8x minus 12x, 5y, 12y minus 9y, 6z, z, 11z. These are like terms. It is first one like terms related to a variable x. Second one related to the variable y. Third one related to the variable z. Sixth question. If x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3, then find the value of the following expressions. First one 2x minus 3y, second problem x plus y, third problem 4y minus x, fourth problem x plus 1 minus y. So now for the values, the given values you have to substitute in the given expression. For the first problem, first you write given x is equal to 2, y equal to 3. So first problem 2x minus 3y. So that is equal to, for 2 into x value is 2 minus 3 into y value is 3. So 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. Here you have minus. 4 minus 9. For it, these two have a different sign. So subtract greatest number minus smallest number. So that is 9 minus 4 is 5. Then greater number sign is minus. So minus 5. Then x plus y. X value is 2, y value is 3. 2 plus 3, 5. Third problem 4y minus x. 4 into y value is 3 minus 2, that is the x value. 4 3s are 12, 12 minus 2, that is equal to 10. X plus 1 minus y, so x value is 2 plus 1, y value is 3. So now 2 plus 1 3, for here minus 3 is there. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0.